Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we will see the fourth part of chapter 3, differentiation, and in this part we are going to find the derivative for an inverse function, or you can say a reciprocal function. Let's see. Derivative of an inverse function. If y equals to f of x is a differentiable function of x such that inverse function x equals to f inverse y exists. Okay, if for y equals to f of x there exists x equals to f inverse y, then x is a differentiable function of y, and for finding its derivative we use the formula dx by dy, because we have to find derivative of x with respect to y. So it will be equals to 1 upon dy by dx. That means first of all we need to find derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. So first of all we find dy by dx, then we take the reciprocal of it, then we get dx by dy, and note that here dy by dx should not be equal to 0. Okay, so for finding derivative of inverse function is given in terms of x, that is y equals to f of x. There we need to first differentiate it and find dy by dx. After getting dy by dx we just reciprocal it. Okay, here is the example given. See how you have to find dx upon dy. Find the rate of change of demand x of a commodity with respect to its price y. If y equals to (20 plus 15 x plus x square). Okay, clear? What is the question? Find rate of change of demand x of a commodity with respect to its price y if y is equals to 20 plus 15x plus x square. This is the question given. Here we have to find the rate of change of x. So that means we have to find dx upon dy. But the function is given as y equals to, na? So we will find first derivative of y. Then we find dy by dx. Okay. Firstly we will differentiate the function and get dy by dx. After getting dy by dx, we will just do the reciprocal of it to get dx upon dy as asked in the question. See the solution. Let y equals to 20 plus 15x plus x square is the question. Function is given. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to, since 20 is constant, its derivative is 0. 15x, here the derivative of x is 1, so 15 into 1 we get 15 plus x square. In x square the power is 2, so we by using the formula x raised to n we apply here, we get 2x raised to 2 minus 1. Since 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 is not written in the power, so we write 2x. Okay, so derivative of x square is 2x, so we get dy by dx equals to 15 plus 2x. Okay, now by derivative of the inverse function we have dx upon dy equals to 1 upon dy by dx, where dy by dx is not equal to 0. Okay, therefore rate of change of demand with respect to price dx upon dy equals to 1 upon 15 plus 2x. See exercise 3.2. Here are some questions from exercise 3.2 whose solutions are given in the video next. See exercise 3.2. First question is, find the rate of change of demand x of a commodity with respect to its price y if, for first question, function is given y equals to 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. Okay, since we have to find rate of change of demand x, that means dx with respect to price y. that means dx by dy, rate of change of x with respect to y. So but the function is given as y equals to 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. So first of all we need to differentiate this y, and then after getting dy by dx we will just do the reciprocal of it. Okay, differentiating, this is the common statement we write in every question, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so what we get, dy by dx equals to d by dx of 12 plus 10x plus 25x square. Now separating all this, we get derivative of 12 is 0 plus derivative of 10x raised to 1 minus 1, or you can say derivative of x is 1 na? Plus 25 is coefficient, here power is 2, so we write 2 earlier, then x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay, so we get here 10 plus 50x. Okay, so this is the dy by dx. Therefore by derivative of inverse function dx upon dy equals to 1 upon dy by dx, where dy by dx not equal to 0. Since dy by dx is not equal to 0, we write here dx upon dy equals to 1 upon dy by dx. So 1 upon, what is dy by dx? 10 plus 50x. 10 plus 50x. Okay, 1 by this one. Now reciprocal of 1 upon 1 plus 50x. This is 1 upon 10 plus 50x. So it is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 50x. So this is the solution. Dx by dy equals to 1 upon 10 plus 50x. Okay. See the next question. Here function is given y equals to 18x plus log x minus 4. Okay, and again we have to find dx upon dy. So again we write differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx equals to d by dx of 18x plus log x minus 4. Now separating derivative of 18x, d by dx of 18x plus d by dx of log x minus 4. Okay, since here x is given, derivative of x is equals to 1, d by dx of x is 1. So we write here 18 into 1 plus d by dx of log, derivative of log x is 1 by x, but here it is given x minus 4. So we write here 1 upon x minus 4. But again this is the function of x. In place of x it is given x minus 4 now. So we need to differentiate this also. So we imply d by dx of x minus 4. Okay. Now see 18 plus 1 upon x minus 4 into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 4 is 0. So there is 1 only. So 18 plus 1 upon x minus 4. Okay. Now just simplify it. 18 into x minus 4 plus 1 upon x minus 4. We have just cross multiplied the x denominator. Okay, so our dy by dx equals to 18 x minus 4 plus 1 upon x minus 4. Okay, but we have to find dx upon dy. So we write here by derivative of inverse function dx upon dy equals to 1 upon dy by dx. Okay, where dy by dx should not be equal to 0, and also dy by dx is not 0 here. So therefore we have dx upon dy equals to 1 upon 18x minus 4 plus 1 upon x minus 4. Okay, now if we do the reciprocal of this, the denominator will become the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. So our answer is x minus 4 upon 18x minus 4 plus 1. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Denominator will become the numerator and numerator become the denominator on doing the reciprocal. So our dx upon dy is this much, and this is the final answer. Now third question is y equals to f 5x plus 9 upon 2x minus 10, and here also the question is same. We have to find the rate of change of demand x with respect to its price y. Okay, this question is of question 2, but I am including this in question 1, and there are total 4 questions you have to solve. Okay, both the question 1 and 2 are same, only the statements are different. Again we write here differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to d by dx of 5x plus 9 upon 2x minus 10. Okay, see here this is given u upon v. So do you remember the formula to find derivative of u upon v function? How to find d by dx of u upon v? Do you remember? If not, I am recalling the formula. V du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. Okay, this is the formula which you have to apply here. See carefully. First of all, we write the v square. What is v? V is 2x minus 10 whole square. Okay, now see the numerator, it is given v here. So we write 2x minus 10 d by dx of 5x plus 9 minus, it is given u. What is u? 5x plus 9 into d by dx of 2x minus 10. Okay, in this way you have to solve u upon v. Now there is no change in this term. Now find the derivative of 5x plus 9. Since 9 is constant, its derivative is 0, but it is given 5x. Here x is given, so derivative of x is 1. So 5 into 1, we get 5. Okay, is it clear? Its derivative is 0. We are not writing it. Derivative of 5x is 5 minus 5x plus 9. Just I have copied this one. Okay, as similarly I have copied here also. Now d by dx of 2x minus 10. Here again 10 is constant, so its written derivative is 0, which is not written. Here derivative of 2x is 2, because x will disappear as its derivative is 1. In denominator we write the same, 2x minus 10 whole square. Now multiply the terms. 5 into 10, 2 10x minus 50 minus 2 into 5 10x minus 2 into 9 18. So 10x will be cancelled out, and in denominator we have 2x minus 10 whole square. This will be equals to minus 15 minus 50 minus 18 minus 68 upon 2x minus 10 whole square. Okay, so this is dy by dx. So we write dy by dx equals to minus 68 upon, here also we can take 2 as common also. So it will come as 4. Now take 2 as common, we get x minus 5. Okay, it will equals to minus 68 upon, the square of 2 is 4 and square of x minus 5 is like this. Now we cancel out this, 2 in the 2, 4 in the 4, we get 17. So our dy by dx is minus 17 upon x minus 5 whole square. Okay, but we have to find dx upon dy, na? So by derivative of inverse function, dx upon dy is equals to 1 upon dy by dx, where dy by dx is not equal to 0. So at last we just do the reciprocal of minus 17 upon x minus 5 whole square. So what we get? Therefore dx upon dy equals to x minus 5 whole square upon 17. Okay, here again the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become the numerator on doing the reciprocal. So in this way you have to solve these questions. Now one more question is left. The last question is y equals to x e raised to minus x plus 7. Again we'll write differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to d by dx of x into e raised to minus x plus 7. Okay, separate, we get like this. Okay, since 7 is constant, its derivative will become 0. So we will not write the derivative of 7. We will not write 0. Now see here, it is given in the form of u into v. So derivative of u into v is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, this is the formula we have to apply here. Okay, this is u and v. So first we write u. So x into d by dx of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x into d by dx of x. Okay, we need not to touch this, so we can copy it. Now derivative of e raised to minus x. Since derivative of e raised to x is same e raised to x, na? So it will be same, but here in place of x it is given minus x. So we need to differentiate this also. So we multiply the derivative of minus x. Okay, plus e raised to minus x into derivative of x is 1. And we can also write here as 0. So not write here. Now x e raised to minus x. Derivative of x is 1. So it will become minus 1 plus e raised to minus x. Since e raised to minus x is coming in both the terms, we can take it common. Here it is minus x plus 1. Now we arrange these terms. E raised to minus x in bracket 1 minus x. Clear? It is dy by dx. Now we need to find dx upon dy. So again we write by derivative of inverse function, by derivative of inverse function, dx upon dy is equals to 1 upon dy by dx, where dy by dx is not equal to 0. 1 upon e raised to minus x, 1 minus x. This is the final answer. Okay, clear? So I have solved 4 questions from exercise. Rest remaining some questions you have to solve. Try to solve on your own. If you're not getting the answer, you can ask. Okay, goodbye.